stopped, guys, please? NumPy, am I right? I stopped where exactly? NumPy. I stopped where exactly? NumPy. Okay. So let me repeat one more time. What is an exactly NumPy? NumPy. So is audio videos everything is clear before starts, please? Is audio videos everything is clear? Just to be reply in the chat box. Is audio videos everything is clear? All of it. Please just be reply in the chat box. So because of I'm in the remote, okay, that's what network is not that good at here. That's what that's what I'm asking you. Please confirm in the my is audio, video, everything is clear. If any problem in the middle, please let me know. Okay. Fine. Sir, what is the NumPy? As we discuss. So previously, which we are understood data types. Data types can handle single value. But what about data structure? Data structure can handle multiple values. Multiple values. But NumPy array can handle dimensions. Multi multi-dimensional array means what? Multiple dimensions of data which we can able to. And for that, what we have done first, we need to install NumPy packages. So by default, NumPy is not available in your environment. Either you need to install individual package through requirement also you can. Through requirement also we can. Okay. So once if it is successfully installed, then so we should be import NumPy as a alias name. What is a alias name? Import NumPy as what? Alias name. Once if it is give alias name, with help of this alias name, we can able to continue to use. Whether it be creating NumPy array or retrieving data from elements from the array, which we can able to do it with help of this alias name only. So for example, let's say we created a list. You know very well what is the list we have experienced in the last class. The list which we want to, I'm going to be creating a my array. Array name is anything. My array one, array two, anything you can give my instead of my wherever you see while writing a code my, that means what we can able to give our own names. If it is not seeing my, that means we should be provide as it is as a keyword. Got it. So, so we are calling alias name as what? NP is NumPy. Under NumPy, what are the function we are calling? Array. What are the function? Whatever the NumPy array. To this array, 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 we need to pass the values. What is that? What is that value? A list of values I'm passing. A list of values I need to pass. First, you need to execute this. If you need to execute this, then only come here and execute. Okay. First, we need to give a alias name. That alias name only we can able to use. Alias name only we can able to use. Clear. So that alias name, the alias name extension with array and provide your list. My list and execute. We can see. We can able to see. If you want to see the output, print array. Print array. Is this Is this or not? As of right now, it is a single dimension. Sir, can we able to handle multi-dimension? Yes, why not? We can able to handle multi-dimension also. Sir, what is the type of this? What is the type? What is the type? So if you want to come to know, maybe it is we have only variable. Is this variable is a list? Is this variable is array? How exactly we can? So print type of list. If it is give list, it will be display list one. What is the type of this? Anybody? What are the type is this? List one. But if we give array, if we give array, my array, is this variable is array or not? Yeah. From where exactly? NumPy array. Clear understand? Understand. So what we have experienced, guys, please. What we have experienced, guys, please. We have experienced up to this point, single dimension NumPy array we have experienced. But if you want to see the shape, your variable name dot shape. If execute this, see here, this is a shape we can 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 means what? 5 rows, 0 columns. 5 rows, 0 column. Okay. Sir, can we able to go for multiple arrays, multiple list into the array? Definitely yes, we can. We can able to create a multiple list. Multiple list. Please let it be create a new cell. Create a list one, list two. My list one is my, let it be right in my list one. My list two, my list three. So totally how many numbers, guys, please? Starting with one, ending with what exactly? So we can able to create a separate arrays, single dimension. But I want to create array, array equal to np, the alias name of number under array. I need to pass list one, list two, list three. So once if it is done, print that array. See, it's a row one, row two, row three. But this is a column one, column two, column three, column four, column four. Is it indexing? So it is a storing the elements in a index 0, the first element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the same way row start with 0, 1, 2. Clear understand how we are declaring? Please. You need
So,
to,
Maha, you have already covered this yesterday, right?
yeah, yeah.
If I'm not.
Yes,
Okay.
yesterday some people are not joining. That's what I repeated. So people are late joining. That's what I'm repeating. Okay. Anyway. So we have declared. Once if it is declared, I want to say the shape. What is the shape? Shape means what? Here is how many rows we have. First one declare what exactly? Three rows. Row one, row two, row three. But how many columns we have? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, the shape. But can we able to reshape this? Yes. But while reshaping, make sure about it. Make sure about it. So the shape must be matched with these values 1 to 15. As of right now, here is what exactly 3 rows, 5 columns. But can able to change 5 rows, 3 columns? Definitely. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. So that means what? Can able to go for four. One second. Can able to make it three rows, four columns. See, no, we can't. It should be match with what exactly the number. Whatever the number 15 has to match with this shape. Okay. So yesterday, I hope we covered up to this point. Sir, we can able to reshape like this also. Only one, only one, only one row, but we should be 15, 15 columns. 15 columns. Yes. So this is the shape. What is the shape right now? What is the shape? So first one. First one. What is in exactly the first one here? What is the first one? First row. One, two, three, four. First row. If it is index, if it is indexing, how exactly indexing it is? So columns also 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and rows also 0, 1, 2, 3. Rows also 0, 1, 2, 3. Column also 0, 1, 2, 3. If it is 0, if it is 0, if it is 0, it will automatically automatically get it what exactly the first row only. But if it type array, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, two rows, three rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 1, row 2, row 3. So for example, let's say I want to get first index, first place. I want to get it first place only. This one value I want to get it. Simply execute this. Can able to get one or not? Tell me. If it is type 1, what will happen? Let's see. What are the value can able to get it? 2. But if you type 1 also, here is what exactly. What are the value? Can anybody help me here? What are the value it will display? Anybody help me in the chat box? 7. Am I right? If it is 2, here also 2. What are the value will be get it? Anybody? 13, am I right? We can able to get like this indexing based on the index. But if it is a single value, if it is talk about any one value, we can able to follow this approach. But I want to get multiple values. If you want to retrieve, if you want to get multiple values, you should be use what exactly? My array, whatever variable name, okay? Whatever variable name, please be open braces, braces, colon, colon, comma, colon. That's it. Colon, comma, colon. If it is typed like this, if we execute like this, we can able to get it. The whole array. Whole array we can able to get it. Sir, in this array, I want to get first to two. This one, 1, 2, 6, 7. How exactly I can? So the first one is what exactly? It indicates what exactly? Please tell me. Rows. Rows means what? 0. Starting with 0, ending with what? 1. Ending with what? 1. Clear. Ending with 2. If it is 2, what will happen? 2 rows. 0, 2. But if you talk about 0 to 2, 0 to 0 column 2, what will happen? Let's see. Can able to get it? 1, 2, 6, 7 or not? Tell me. So it is not like that. So starting with 0, ending with 2. Starting with 0, ending with 2. But I don't know what starting with 0. But I want to get it after first index of row. After second index of row. After first index of rows. After second index of columns. I want to get it. Or else I want to get it. I want to get it. Okay. One second, please. Let it be typed. My array. This is an array. This is an exactly array. If execute this 0 to 2, 0 to 0 to 2 means what? First and second rows. First and second rows. 2 to 4 means what? 2 to 4 means what? This one. Am I right? We get what exactly the value. See here. 3, 4 items. Understood? So we can able to select, we can able to we can able to get a particular group of element from the array also. Clear? Any questions, please? Okay, so then if you go for, okay, it is an existing array, but so randomly can able to create elements? Yes, we can. We can. So for example, I want to create an element from 0 to 10. 0 to 10. I didn't declare any list, anything. So previously we provided elements to the array by helping of list 1, list 2, list 3. But here is what exactly I want to randomly. I want to arrange. Okay, range. Okay, for example, let's say I'm gonna be creating my array dot equal to instead of array NumPy, one more function name called arrange. From where to where exactly? 1 to 1 to 13, whatever. 1 to 12, whatever. Please, if it is an execute, let's see. 1 to 13. Let me go for array, print array. See. So 1 to 12 it is printing or not, tell me. But I want to step, step, step. What is the meaning of step, please? Step 1 or step 2? Step 2. So for alternative, first value, second value not. After two value, what is the after second value? Third after second value, fifth after second value, seventh after second value, ninth after second value, 11. If it is 3, between 1 to 13, so stepping off third value. See, only 1, 4, 7, 5. I hope you understand. For every alternative of third value only we display between 1 to 13. Got it. So we can able to create elements with the help of the range between 1 to 4. Got it. Fine. So if it is scroll down, yeah. So for example, let's say I want to create 0 to 30, 0 to 10, 0 to 10, but I need a number 50. 50 numbers I need it. 50 number I need it. 0 to 10, I need a 50 numbers. It will be created. Starting with 0, ending with 10. Between how many numbers are created? We can able to create a number of elements. Understood? We can able to create like this also. So for example, let's say one more concept we're going to be learning. So this is what exactly we can declare NumPy array. We can retrieve the data. Okay, it's clear. But one more concept in NumPy, copy function, and broadcasting. Broadcasting means what exactly? An existing values we want to replace. An existing values we want to replace. For example, let's say we have created array. We want to create a array 1. We want to create a array 1. Just print array 1. What will happen? Please. How many values in this array? 10 elements. It is only one row. It's okay. Okay. But I want to replace from fifth element to end with 100. With 100. How can I? My array. From where exactly? Third or fifth. Okay, whatever discussing. fifth element onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth element onwards. I want to replace with what? 100. It is a broadcasting. What we're talking about? Broadcasting. What are the variable name? Variable name array one. And print what exactly? My array one. Just even execute here. So after fifth element, so it is broadcasting the all the values with 100 or not? Tell me. Yes or no? So this is we calling as what? Broadcasting. But what is the problem with the broadcasting? What is the problem with the broadcasting? So for example, let's say I created array one. Array one. So I'm gonna be creating my array two. Array two. But array one, I'm assigning into the array one, array two also. Listen. Just to directly assign without copy. Just print array two. Is it? Yes or no? So just we can able to array one, we can able to assigning it array two or not. The same value we can able to do it. But please observe one thing. Please keep on screen once, please. Okay, please let us go for array. My array two. From fifth onwards, we broadcasted what exactly? 200. Then let it be print again my array two. What will happen? Please, anybody. It will be broadcasting with 200 or not, tell me. But tell me, what is the value of array 1, array 2? Anybody guess? My array 1 and my array 2. Please tell me. So let it be print array 1 first. Let it be print array 2. What is the value? 200. Got it? But it should be different or not? Guys, please, previously, array array 1 broadcasted with 100 only. Array 2 broadcasted with 200. But after 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 even assigning, after doing separately, broadcasting with array 1, array 2, but both are same. Both our outputs are same. What is the meaning? What exactly we understand? Array 1, array 2, the same memory using. So same memory using. We are assigning array 1 to array 2. Array 1 to array 1 to array 2. Am I right? Is this what exactly? So not only assigning value, it will assigning same memory. That means even if it is change, array 1 automatically reflect to array 2. If any change happen, array 2 automatically reflecting into the array 1. Got it? But I don't want to use this. I don't want to use this. For that only, while assigning, we should be use copy. Let me create one more time. My array 1, array 1. Please let it be try to create my array 1 np.array. Let it be try to create one more time. Okay. Let's see. So understand this point. It's very, very important. That's what let it be create array 2. Let it be try to create array 2. So first we need to broadcast. How exactly we need to broadcast, please? My array 5, comma, column. Broadcast with what exactly? array 1. So broadcast, am I right? After broadcast, previously what I did, please. Simply, I'm gonna be creating one more variable, array 2, assigning my array 1. Directly assign. But if you copy, if you're using copy function, means it will be create separate memory. It is not same. It won't array 1, array 2, it won't share with same memory. It will be create separate memory. So the values will be different. It maintain the values or elements are different memory, not in the same memory. So please use copy. If you are not using copy, that means what? Both arrays using same value, same memory. So that is a copy. So broadcasting we understand, copy also we understand. So once if it is copy, okay, after copy, my array we need to broadcast with 200. 200. Okay, so just print array 1, array 1. It is broadcasted with what? 100. But array 2 broadcasted with what? Tell me, anybody? Please. 200 or not, tell me. So both are different value or not, tell me. Different or not? So understand what are the normal assigning or copy assigning. So previously, let me show you. Previously, we are assigning directly. That means both arrays are using same memory. Array 1, array 2, or array 1, both values. But if you are using copy, array 1 memory is different, array 2 memory is different. Clear understand up to this point? So copy and broadcast we understand. So how exactly we can retrieve elements, but so we have one more reshape. 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 See, please let us try to understand. Let me give a array 1, AR1. I'm giving different names. I'm going to be declaring np.array, ARY array, and starting with what exactly? Starting the random numbers. I'm gonna pick up in 0 to 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Previously we step up 2 or step up 3, step up 4, whatever. But I want to reshape this into the 5 into 2. And 5. That means what? What exactly? Please let it be execute this array. One, please be one second. One second. Not array, range. So previously array means what? We need to declare. What are the function which you are range? Okay, previously also arrange 10, 0 to 10 with step up 2 or not. Not array, arrange. Arrange, starting from 0, second, no? Starting from 0, ending with 10, dot, dot. If it is execute, it will be print what exactly? 0 to 9 numbers. But I want to this reshape into 2 column 5. Right now, please be execute. So this will be single dimension converting into the multi-dimension. Means 2 dimension. So we can reshape. So previously range with step up, step 2, step 3. But same array, I want to convert into the same. It is a single dimension converting into the reshaping into the 2 rows, 5 columns. See, 2 rows, row 1, row 2, row column. Sir, can we able to do this in uh, yeah, 3 into 3? Check once. Is it? No. Why? Because the elements are not passed. Yeah. Understood this very clearly? Any questions? Array 1, array 2, array 1, array 2. Let's go for 2 rows, 5 columns. 2 rows, 5 columns. So how many arrays we created? Array 1, array 2. Sir, can we able to multiplication array 1, array 2? Yes, why not? We can. We can do with multiplication also. After creating 2 arrays, okay, we can able to we can able to we can reshape and we can multiplication also, it is possible. Okay, clear all of you? Understood this? Sir, what about once 4 means what? Once 4 means what? Means what? Once we created with 4 numbers. Okay. So if it is execute, see if it is 10, what will happen? It will create 10, but it is a boolean. All are ones only. We can create only all are ones, but we can able to reshape also. It is one more function. Array, range, reshape. So we have experience with NumPy, with arrays also we have, range also, reshape also. We have experience. But I don't want, I don't want float. I want only for int. Just give 10, 10. Okay. Then, so how many ones? 10 ones. But data type might be int. Data type might be int. See here, only once, 10 ones. But I want to reshape into two rows, 5 columns, please. We can. So we can generate data also. We can take a random number also. So we can able to take a random also. We have one more option called we have a random numbers between 0 to 4. 0 to 4 I'm going to be taking that to how many columns, how many rows? 4 columns, 4 rows. See, for example, 5 plus. See what will happen. It will be changed. The random numbers also we can able to get it. Clear? Understand very clearly? So for example, one more example. So I want to get np numpy and random only init, random init numbers only, starting from where exactly 0, ending with what? 200. So, but I want get only 10 numbers. 0 to 200, I need only 10 numbers. This one. Randomly, we pick up in 10 numbers between 0 to 200. If you want to get 20 numbers, randomly we pick up in 0 to 220 numbers. Yes. Clear? All of it is. So this is the way we can able to handle, we can able to use NumPy. Sir, what about next concept? The next concept is what? Pandas. So pandas means what? It is a data frames. We can how to read a file, how to create a file, how to read a file, what existing data, how we storing into the file, how to read JSON files, how to read Excel files. Okay, how to handle read write operations, SVC file, Excel database. How we are going to be handling with pandas only. Pandas is just like a data frames. Data frame. data frames. So what exactly they use? Clearing and preparing data. We can clean the data, we can preparing data. If we have any null in the data, I want to remove, or preparing data in Excel format. Whenever talking about pandas, we can able to handle like Excel tables and columns, rows and columns of data. We can able to filter, we can able to sorting, we can able to grouping data and performing calculation statistics. If we handling any missing value, yes, we can find it. So we have two things here, series and data frames. Series, when we talking about series, it is a single column, means one data, one dimensional data. But data frames means what? Table. Rows and columns like a Excel, Google Excel document. But anyway, we'll discuss on Monday. So pandas will take two classes, Monday and Thursday, Tuesday, okay, whatever maybe.